Biosecurity is one of the defining advantages of vertical farming, and maintaining it depends heavily on system design. When growing environments are too interconnected, any issues can quickly spread across an entire operation. The modularity of our vertical farming technology prioritizes crop health and security, minimizing risk across the facility. Each tower operates with its own closed-loop ventilation and fertigation systems, mitigating risk of cross-contamination. Positive pressure airflow also works to maintain stable, controlled conditions throughout production. This creates a more contained, manageable, and biosecure environment. Modularity also supports more effective cleaning and maintenance. Components can be fully removed and cleaned between crop cycles, helping maintain hygiene standards while reducing downtime. Additional measures across the site further strengthen biosecurity. Airlocks control the movement of people and air throughout the site, while HEPA filtration and UV treatment maintain air quality inside growth towers. These systems work together to minimize the introduction and spread of pests, pathogens, and contaminants. The result is a more resilient, modular production model designed around control, containment, and consistency. Get in touch with a member of our team today to learn more.